Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we are going to look at the crimson penda or the Xanthostemon youngii. This is a native of Australia and can grow in tropical and warm places around the world. This belongs to the Myrtaceae family, to which the eucalyptus, bottlebrush plant, etc. belong. This is largely grown as a shrub, though it can be called a small tree. The blooms on the plant are, as you guessed, crimson or red. They attract bees, butterflies, and birds even. The flowers do produce fruits and in turn produces seeds, but mine so far hasn't. This is an evergreen perennial plant. The blooming is mostly during the summer months and can also bloom throughout the year, like mine is doing right now. And the best part about this plant is that the new leaves also are red in color, showing us that leaves also have the power to impress a bloom-starved eye. This is mostly propagated with the help of seeds. So far, I have not come across its invasiveness, so I'm assuming that it is fairly safe to grow this plant in tropical countries like ours. If someone wants to correct me, you can do so by commenting below. By the looks of it, I think we can propagate this with stem cuttings also. I will be trying this probably during the early summers and will update you very soon. Also, you notice these red spots and I'm not very sure why this is. I'm mostly guessing this is a fungal infection. If someone has more information on this, then do let us all know. I don't foresee too many problems with this pigmentation. Now let's look at its growing conditions. Sunlight. Full sun will bring out more blooms and the plant will thrive. However, a part sun location but brightly lit place would be good too. Watering. Water this every day during summer. It is quite a thirsty plant. During winter, check if the soil is wet. If so, don't water. Fertilizing. Just use normal compost every month during summer and do not fertilize during the winter months. Pests. I've not seen too many pests on this plant except for the ants, which I guess love the nectar-rich blooms. Diseases. Myrtle rust can occur where you will find powdery orange stuff on the plant. This is quite rare but can be deadly and can spread to your other plants. The immediate thing you have to do when you see this is to cut down the plant and take all the parts of the plant and burn it. Make sure no part of the plant falls onto the soil. Potting mix. So use a well-draining mix of 40% sand, 30% compost and 30% garden soil or coco peat. Repotting. If grown in a container, don't keep repotting this. Let it get completely pot bound and then repot. That is why I have kept this in the same container that it came in. I will take you through the repotting some other time. If you can grow this in the ground, then nothing like it. Toxicity. As far as I know, this is not toxic, but like I always say, leaving your plants out of your mouth is the wisest thing you can do, regardless of whether a plant is toxic or not. And if you're concerned about your pets, remember that they know their food maybe a little too better than us. So folks, if you want a great hedge plant in your sprawling garden or just a statement plant for your balcony that faces the southwest, then go for this amazing flowering plant. So let me end this video with some things to do this winter. As we all cozy up into our warm blankets this winter, let us also look at what we should do to our gladiolus plants. Now, winter is dormancy time for the glads and the leaves would have turned brown like this. This is the right time to cut it down till the point where it meets the comb. You don't have to cut the leaves when it is still green. Because remember, the comb is using up all the energy the leaves are feeding it when they are green. Once they dry out completely like this, that means they've done their job and the comb is all plump and is raring to give your summer eyes something to look forward to the next year. So with this, we've come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore, and I really hope you've enjoyed this particular winter edition to this program. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm, cozy goodbye.